Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Guys, sit back for this one. I've got something serious that's happening right now with XCAD. I need to discuss it because they are bringing this revolutionary watch to earn where YouTubers, viewers of the YouTube can earn money as they watch us. What? I need to break this down because this is seriously going to explode the price of XCAD in the future. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I'm going to try and talk about other things with XCAD. You know, you can stake this coin for passive income. I want to show you how to do that as well. And yeah, just maybe show you a bit of the price action in the charts as well. Because, you know, I got the charts going on down here. Where's my little charts? Why are you not showing? Here? Yeah? Yeah, some XCAD charts. Before I go any further, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions on XCAD. So please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, also going to break down this market cap. Look at this, 66 million in market cap. This is tiny. Trust me, it's tiny in price. Market cap, the price is cheap considering the market cap and the supply here, you know, 100 million. Anyway, no, max supply is 199 million. Let's just talk about this. The watch to earn revolution. XCAD is basically a project that was allowing YouTubers to tokenize themselves. So, you know, I'm still waiting to be tokenizing myself, XCAD. You know, hook me up, you know, put me on there. You know, because right now, like, they got all, like, the big names, you know, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, KSI, and all these people. But you should have a good, diverse portfolio of people, YouTubers, that are backing you. You didn't see YouTubers backing XCAD. I don't mind backing you as well. Let people, you know, invest in me. You know, make me pump and dump me. I'm joking. No, but it allows people to invest in their favorite YouTubers or YouTuber, and they then have, I'm assuming, which is a market cap that will grow in price along with the tokens that you have, you know, grow in price. And yeah, so it's super interesting. I like the concept, but this blows me away because now they're allowing all the viewers, you know, you guys that are watching me, you will start earning money. And this is basically like a plugin. Bit like what you do, like you got the extension, the Chrome extension plugin, and you know, wherever you pull it, whether on your Chrome, on your Firefox, whatever browser you're using, you know, basic attention browser, what's it called? Brave browser. You just install the plugin. When you're watching YouTube, you get paid. What? Crazy, mad, crazy, ludicrous. Bum. I have to do it. This is big news because the only other project that I've seen come close to doing something like watch to earn is Veracity, or I call it Verasclar. So, you know, there's some competition heating up in this space, but these guys are doing it in a unique way. And it's not just YouTube, you know, they could do this on Twitch as well. There's a big move coming for this project. So, you know, I bought some more. And if you was a patron of mine, you did see my buy alerts. Shout out to you. Let's scroll down. I've got different tiers real quick. If you don't want to miss this stuff, it's a fresh new month. Now's the time you want to get in, trust me, before it pumps. Become a patron. I've got 7 tiers. Click this one here if you can afford it, my exclusive VIP partner tier. It unlocks all my posts when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm staking. You see the whole lot, okay? If you want that little bit more, I've got a CEO tier. This gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. You get exclusive access. You see things way before I do anything because we're talking about it in here. I was talking to them in here about it. It's a big move. It's something big for this project because you got to remember this, right? It starts off in the crypto space. You know, where, you know, you're trying to build the whole protocol and everything in the crypto space. Then it branches out to popular media platforms that people use. Social media, YouTube, Twitch. What happens next? Because who's to say in the near future they don't, hook up with something like Netflix? I'm just saying, this is a streaming service. People are watching stuff like crazy. Trust me on this, right? Whether it's now, in the next 8 months, 2-3 years, there's going to be a race between projects. Netflix will be looking, you best believe Netflix knows about crypto. I'm just saying it straight. There's going to come a time when Netflix is going to want to expand and innovate its product. And I'm telling you now, if it isn't with something like XCAD or Veracity, Verasclar, it's going to be something. And if one of these projects like XCAD can come to Netflix and say, look, I'm just hypothetically speaking, right? This can happen. Look, we've got something that's seriously happening right now. It's bubbling up in the crypto space. It's really working. You don't need to do anything. Look, just take our plugin, plug it in on your Netflix. Let your viewers that, you know, have your subscription start watching and earning. What? I just got to keep it real. It's that simple. You know, people be logging in on their Netflix and then you can see like your little XCAD with zero balance. You know, oh, you watched, what would you watch? You watch that? Yeah, Russian doll. Yeah, you watch Russian doll. Now you £4.30. It sounds good. I can buy a can of Coke with that. In London, apparently Coke is like £3 in some places. So I'm just saying, Dean, and you know as well. But this is a big look, and please do not underestimate. What I'm trying to get is think outside the box. When I invest in projects, I think outside the box. Starts off here. Starts off with YouTube. What happens next? Thinking outside the box. Bitcoin's doing things that nobody thought it could do back then till now. Because people back then just thought, oh, it's just a payments gateway and things like that. Now you can do so much more. Wrapped Bitcoin. You know, the people are innovating on top of Bitcoin to make it do different things. I'm just saying, don't underestimate it. XCAD. So, you know, that's what this is about. And I think that this is seriously going to be a big thing for this project. It's going to, you know, really bump the price. Let's take a look at the price right now. £2.72. Market cap 66. Look, I seriously believe, and this is my personal opinion. I got to say that because if I don't, you know, people will be like, look, you said this, yeah? You said that was going up, mate, and it's not, man. Nah, it's sitting down. People just get upset if the price falls. Me, I believe we're going to see this coin. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Anyway, I can't have it. I believe that we're going to see this come into the couple of billion at least. If it captures the YouTube market and Twitch, and people are watching, and they're just one quick click, boom, install, done. Now you're earning as you watch. I sit at home chilling, watching all sorts on YouTube, you know. And if I can earn, I'm going to do it. If it captures the market, this can seriously go to at least 1 to 2, if not a 5 billion market cap. Where would that sit that in relation to the charts? I'm just curious. I'm talking a 5 billion market cap, and that's super realistic. I'm not being over realistic. No, 5 billion. I really believe a 5 billion, you know, where we now look, because look at this. This is like Polkadot is 11 billion. I'm just saying, yeah. So let's go down. I'm calling a 5 billion. Look, less than this. Underneath Litecoin. Litecoin's sitting at number 22. So, burp action, not cutting it, keeping it raw, fresh and organic like Tesco's. Litecoin is sitting at 5.5 billion. I'm calling XCAD to be somewhere around this price, just underneath, you know, 4.95 billion, sitting at about 22, 23 place. That's where I see it going, and that's a realistic price. I'm not being over realistic with that. Like, I'm not being like silly saying, no, 58 billion, just saying, maybe in the future, I'm just got to call something real. Now, if this goes to a 5.5 billion, my God, you have to... All I'm saying is who's paying this, because it can do it. Just saying it can do it. Look at this, look. 5 billion, right? That's where I would seriously be, you know, taking some profits. And I'll sit back and wait. I don't care how long I have to wait. I'll sit back and wait for that. Divide it by the market cap that it is today. What kind of X gain are we talking for XCAD? 66,168,000. I'm going to be precise, you know, 512, 512. You're looking at a 75x gain, a 75x return, meaning if you had £1,000, turns to 65 grand. I'm just saying, 75x gain. You can times the price by 75 as well, because if the market cap's going to go up by 75, so is the price. Times this by £2.72 at the time of recording this video. You're looking at a £205 price for XCAD. I think it's doable. So technically, I could have called this 100x, because, you know, what's 100x times 10? Yeah, I'm trying to move the market cap now. 661 times 100, 6.6 billion. So even a 6.6 billion might be achievable. And if it does that, again, you know, 100x the price times 10, 27 quid times 100, 272. So anywhere around there, 5 billion to 6.6 billion, I think that is seriously doable. We're looking at a 100x gem. I'm telling you now. You best believe. You know, when you get on your camel. I'm kidding. Where's my 1 minute? I gotta get something. You can't hear that. You notice that time when you get on your camel and you travel to Agrabah and you go through that desert. You go through that desert. You see Jafar with his parrot and he looks at you and he says, bring me the lamp. The rest is yours, but the lamp is mine. Okay, man. And you go in that cave of wonders and you touch nothing but the lamp. And you rub that lamp. You rub that lamp. Oh. An XCAD will pop out. You best believe. I sound crazy, I know. You best believe. You're going to rub that lamp, XCAD will pop out, and this genie will set you free financially. That's all I'm saying. Let me breathe. Let's move on. Hold on. My nose be itchy. So, I recently found out that you can stake this for some passive income. If you want to stake it, I'm going to take you through the process. Look, come onto the website. You can click on tools. Right here, tools. I've got the page up, but I'm going to show you the way. And then come down here where it says stake. Click on the stake. And then you can come over to stake XCAD. It's on the DEX, right? But in order for you to stake, because you can do LP staking, single staking. In order for you to stake, hold on, pause, stake. You need to buy this on the Zil network, Zilliqa chain. Because you can buy this on PancakeSwap. Look over here, look. You got PancakeSwap, so you can buy it on PancakeSwap. But you won't be able to stake. If you want to stake it, you need to be on the Zilliqa chain. And I'm going to show you how to do that. The best way to do it right now, real quick, I would buy some Zilliqa tokens. Whether you go to Binance, KuCoin, wherever you go, buy some Zilliqa tokens. You want to set up a ZilPay wallet. So let me just quickly go over here. Let's ZilPay wallet. Because you need one of these. And this ZilPay wallet you can use with your ledger. So that's cool. You know, set it up, log in, and then you've got yourself a ZilPay wallet. It's a Chrome extension. So let me just show you what it looks like. This one here, ZilPay. So you add it as a Chrome extension. Once you set up the wallet, you can add your ledger to it if you want for safer protection. And then once you've got your ZilPay wallet, it was, you know, because you want to withdraw from Binance to your ZilPay wallet. You send it to your ledger wallet or whatever wallet you're using, ZilPay address, sorry. And once you've got it over there, you can then come on to ZilSwap. And this is what ZilSwap looks like. It's just like, you know, PancakeSwap and all these other swaps for the Zilliqa chain. You click on ZilSwap, you got your Zilliqa here on this side, and then you choose how much XCAD you want. So in this case, I've got like 300 Zilliqa sitting there. And then XCAD, you know, you just choose how much you want to swap. In this case, I'd say max, and then it would tell me how much I'm going to get, 7.7. And then you just swap it. It's that simple. Really is that simple. You can do other things like bridge from the ETH chain and all that, but I find that is the quickest way to do it. Just buy some coins, send it to your ZilPay wallet, and then come over here, connect your wallet to this address here, there's ZilSwap, zilswap.io. I might drop it in the link in the description. And then you just swap it for XCAD. Once you've got your XCAD, you can come over to the XCAD network staking pools, and then you can, you know, create some passive income. So let's have a look. So down here, you know, ZIL, USD, these are pairs, right? If you want to do some LP farming. And then they show like the percentage and stuff what you earn here, you know, because this one's like 200%. So, you know, you could try that out. That looks good. But I'm interested in just single staking. Single staking is just, you know, you stake the one coin and you get passive income. They're doing it as a locked up period of staking. So you can stake for 180 days in this one, which is about 6 months. Yeah. Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12, yeah, 6 months. And in 6 months, if you stake, you'll get 40% APR. It's the fixed rate, so it's not going to change. It'll always remain the same, 40%, which is great. You've got 120 days here, and then you've got, if you scroll down, you've got another one here, 90 days. 90 days gives you 30%. The 120 days, which is 4 months, is that right? Yeah, gives you 35%. So you decide which pool you want to go in. But if you want to stake this, and I really recommend you should, because at the end of the day, it's passive income. And that's what it's about. I would recommend going for one of these pools right here. It's entirely up to you. If you're a patron of mine, you've seen my buy alerts, you've seen my stake alert, you know what we're doing, you know the process of what we're taking and how we're going to go about it. So, and again, if you don't want to miss that, come into the Patreon, grab a tier, and you can take it from there. So yeah, that's the way you stake this. It looks great. I like it. And hold on a minute. Is there, what's the pool, the swap? Because they had like an area where you can see like loads of different of the, you know, the YouTubers that have been tokenized. I can't remember how to get there. I should have been more on point with it. What's this? Browser extension, creator swap. I think it's the creator swap. Let me just, I don't know why my computer's being slow now. Hold on. Let me refresh this. So creator swap. Use Creator Swap to convert XCAD into creator tokens. You can also add liquidity onto the DEX and boost your video watching rewards. So if we click on, hold on, where is it? Oh, it's not showing up then. I guess it's, maybe it's in the pitch deck because maybe it's something that's still coming. Hold on, creators. Hold on a minute. Hold on, creators. Hold on. Is it here? No, that's, no. I'll have to look into it more, but it is here. You can see that the creators, they're doing their thing, trying to make a passive income now for everyone, not just themselves, but for you guys as well, because, you know, you can invest into your favorite YouTuber. Let me just click on pitch deck, because this talks about a lot of things, roadmap and all sorts. Ooh.
XCAD Network is a tokenization platform for YouTubers.
I'm gonna mute you. We can be talking all sorts. Hold on a minute. Where's the volume on that? Because I want to mute that. I don't want them be talking when I'm talking. You can probably still hear that. I don't know. I hope I muted it. But yeah, this is the pitch deck. I feel like I'm still hearing them. Hold on. Let me just see if I can come down and find the mute button. Why don't they just have a mute button? I know what it's all about. You need to tell me. I'm hoping that when I click the mute button, you can still hear me and not that. I'm hoping. Hold on, let me see if there's a little volume thing on here, because sometimes you can just mute this, mute site. Here we go. So this is the pitch deck that talks about, hold on, let me make sure that, okay. This is the, what is this? Tokenization creates new markets and monetization methods. Enroll in content creator rewards. It says when any content creator from YouTube decides to utilize and enroll in the XCAD network's content creator reward system, hold on. In XCAD network content creator reward system, and the creator is approved for program, they are issued a unique content creator token. So this is just showing the process of what it's going to be like when people get involved. They want to do that and they want to customize themselves and whatnot. I'm just going to read through the main things up here. Like adjusted to automated adjustment of tokens, token burns, viewers earn rewards points as they are engaged. So I'm guessing the more you engage in a video, maybe if you're watching a certain amount of the video, let's say I upload a 10-minute video and you're watching 7 minutes of it, you're probably going to get more rewards through it. It says here staking, look, viewers. Whoa, hold on. So the viewers, it's really tiny, like, can I not zoom in? Let me see if, is there like a zoom in? No, that zoom in? Yeah, hold on. Let me zoom in a bit more. Strain my damn eyes. So over here, staking, it says, let me just come down a bit. This is interesting. Viewers can stake content creator tokens with XCAD. Tokens in the liquidity pools to earn multiplier on reward earns. So that's crazy. Like, you know, they're really expanding on how people can make money on this. Not just like the creators, the viewers as well. Users can sell content creator tokens for XCAD, cool, you know, because that's like, you know, if it pumps up, quick, take profits kind of thing. Content creator can use their points to for expenses and earnings. What do they mean by that? The content creator can unlock vested tokens by hitting certain milestones governed by the XCAD tokens. So I guess there'll be certain milestones that content creators will need to do. That's what that says. Track content creator token performance. By using, hold on, influencermarketcap.com. Let me click on that and open it up. Maybe that shows the, you know, users can visually see chart and analyze the growth of content creator tokens. This is what I was on about. Hold on. Upon the creator increasing and decreasing audience size and engagement. So you're going to see a lot of stuff over there. Where is it? Hold on. Where's it gone? Hold on. I've lost it. Was it this? No. Was it this? Here you go. So this is what I was telling you about. The influencer market cap, where you can see all the influencers and their market cap sizes. This is what I'm interested in right here, because this is where you're going to start seeing your favorite YouTubers grow. You're going to see what kind of market cap they're on. Is it worth buying? Is it worth selling kind of thing? This is cool. Look, is this something that is right now? You can click buy and buy this guy right now. My God, it sounds like it's already happening. Hold on. No, it just took me to here. I guess that's something in a work in progress then still. But this looks good. Do not underestimate XCAD, guys. Please do not underestimate it. I don't want to be too long on this video. Let's move on real quick. So that was the one of the biggest hypes right now for XCAD. All of that stuff, the watch to earn. Let's just quickly move on. Where else? What did I want to show you? I wanted to show you something else. Have I done it all? Have I showed you all? I showed you all of this stuff. Watch to earn, the staking. Look, let's quickly do the price action, because I've been looking at the price, and right now I'm on the daily time frame, as you can see over here for XCAD 1D time frame. I've got the EMA ribbons up, exponential ribbons. I'm hoping that it holds support here, because the fresh day, it kind of did. It's bouncing right here, holding support off these ribbons here. And every time we see a tangle in these ribbons, just like I've showed you before in the past, if you're new to my channel, hello, see this tangle right here where the yellow switches and it comes up and it comes above? That's usually a bullish sign. It's whether or not it can hold it on the daily time frame. If it can, great. But this is what you want to see. You want to see these ribbons tangle and start to remain bullish, so the price can increase again. Short term might be some bearish momentum, but long term, I think that this is a great long term hold. Let's have a look at the weekly time frame for this as well. So at the minute, it's resisting on the weekly time frame. It's resisting on these ribbons here. You can see for XCAD. So ideally, we might see XCAD come up to the top of this ribbon here, about $3.82. And it might resist. It might come back down and struggle. If it can break $3.82, my God, the skies are clear for XCAD. You're going to see some serious bullish momentum for XCAD. What have I got over here? I'm using the stochastic RSI, which is the bottom one down here. See this one? And I'm using the normal RSI. Let me bring it across so you can see. And I've got up here, this line here is the 21 MA moving average. So usually when price action is above the 21 MA, and this is on the weekly time frame, is really bullish. Why would I recommend buying now? Well, personally, if you're a long-term holder, now could be a good buy. And it's not financial advice, I'm just saying. You've got the stochastic RSI really coming up here. And this is usually a bullish sign, momentum, buy power is coming in. So, I expect it to come up to these levels here like it did before. The 89 level, and we might see some buy power come up in XCAD. Like I said, the only thing that's going to be stopping at these prices is what I said before, $3.82. If it breaks that, this line right here is the next line of resistance that I'm looking at. These moving averages, which is about $4.40. So if it can break that, great. Skies are clear, guys. I'm telling you, skies are clear for XCAD. So you can see some serious good highs. This is on the daily time frame. I switched it over, because you can see here right now the price is hovering, trying to hold support on the daily time frame on the 21-day moving average. I'm hoping it can bounce off it, just see a nice little bounce, just bounce off it, and come and test this yellow line up here, which is on the weekly one where the resistance is. But take a look down here as well. Got to keep it real. We do have the stochastic RSI on the daily coming down, so this is gonna probably see a bit more down momentum. It can also be because of Bitcoin. Sometimes when Bitcoin falls, other coins fall. It's just like they're all connected sort of thing. But long term, I'm seriously bullish on this. Seriously bullish on XCAD. And I'm just going to sit back for the ride and see how we go. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. There's lots more I'm going to discuss with this, and I'm going to bring more on it. If it was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Are you going to buy some XCAD? I seriously think you should. It looks like a serious buy opportunity, because you don't want to be that person that sees all this stuff and then you wait for, I'm just going to wait for a good entry kind of thing, and then it takes forever. You forget, price just pumps, and then you miss it. So now's a good time to, you can do dollar cost averaging, whatever you want to do, but this watch to earn, watch this space, watch to earn. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.